And I'm going to make what's called a refrigerator oatmeal, overnight oatmeal, here with what's cooking. So it's real simple. I use the same container that the yogurt comes in. Once I empty it, you just add a cup of yogurt, maybe. Depends on what consistency you want it. You can just put in as much as you like. And this is rolled oats, just regular unprocessed oats from Whole Foods. You just add maybe a cup and a half, because it's going to absorb the moisture overnight. Maybe you add a little almond milk, just to give it a little liquid, and you can judge that after you combine them. I like blueberries, so I blueberries in, and you can freeze the blueberries. You just put them in and stir. It's just a combination of the ingredients and enough liquid so that it will soak overnight and soften. And also you can add, I add granola, which is natural granola. Also from Whole Foods, just because I like their range of you just put it in just like chopped nuts, which is what it is, and whole grain. It's hard when you combine them, but you put it in the refrigerator overnight, and it all softens to just like you would have had if you cooked it, except it's cold, and none of the nutrients or vitamins are steamed out of it. So you put it in, it's just like cold cereal. Just put it in the refrigerator and that's it. And tomorrow I'll eat it for breakfast.